नमस्कार, मैं हूं इंद्रमोहन। देश में आज से डोमेस्टिक उड़ानें शुरू हो गई हैं। नागरिक उड्डयन मंत्री ने पहले ही ऐलान कर दिया था कि 25 मई से देश के अंदर एक राज्य से दूसरे राज्य के लिए उड़ानें शुरू कर दी जाएंगी। सिर्फ 2 राज्यों को छोड़कर आंध्र प्रदेश और पश्चिम बंगाल, इन 2 राज्यों ने अभी तक फ्लाइट को लेकर साफ तौर पर निर्देश नहीं दिए हैं, लेकिन यहां भी तारीखें तय हो गई हैं। लेकिन आज जब पहली फ्लाइट नई दिल्ली से पुणे के लिए गई तो फ्लाइट अटेंडेंट से लेकर पैसेंजर तक काफी खुश दिखे। 2 महीने बाद लगभग काम पर लौटे फ्लाइट अटेंडेंट की हम आपको बाइट सुनाते हैं।
Long time lockdown has opened and the air flights are just going to take off. What are your feelings right now?
Just little worried, but as you know, works always come first. So there's a call from the airline, and we are ready to operate the flight. We'll make sure that take care of ourselves, and the airline is taking care of us very well. They are taking out the circulars and communication for us, and we'll take care of ourselves and just make sure the passenger reach on time to their bases and the stations.
Ma'am, what are the precautionary measures you are taking on this?
So we're gonna get the PPE kit from the airline, and we're gonna change the things, on regularly basis. And moreover, we are not supposed to, talk to the passenger as we earlier used to do. And no doubt, if there is any medical situation, we are ready to, be with the passenger. But when it comes to like a little small things, just we make sure we take care of ourselves and the passenger as well. As far as we know, only the water can be served during the flight, nothing else. And this has all been communicated by the airline to us, and we will definitely follow that.
According to me, lockdown should be they should increase this lockdown, but this is necessity. So we are also waiting for the flights. It's been 2 months, so we are also waiting. So quite it's good. Mixed feeling actually I have right now.
Ma'am, what are the precautionary measures you are taking regarding the flights just while the taking off and the departure time?
Actually, that's upon to the airline to airline. That's vary because they are sanitizing every aircraft. They are sanitizing every aircraft, and they are providing hazmat suit to the crew, and less communication with the passenger, and there's no service. There's no service, meal service. They are only giving boxes to the passengers. So these are the precautions we are taking now.
लगभग 2 महीने बाद आई इस तस्वीर ने एक बार फिर से साबित कर दिया कि देश में कितनी भी कठिन परिस्थितियां क्यों ना हो, हम अगर चाह लें तो एकजुट होकर इन परिस्थितियों से पार पा सकते हैं। और आज से ये फ्लाइटें जो शुरू हुई हैं उसने लोगों के चेहरे पर जरूर मुस्कान ला दी है, जो लगातार 2 महीने से इस लॉकडाउन की वजह से अपने परिवार वालों से दूर किसी दूसरे शहर या राज्य में फंसे हुए।